Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to an After Dark Clean with me. Today I need to tackle this mess because, as you can see, my house is a little bit trashed. The kids actually have 2 weeks off of school at the moment, so we've had a few days out, but we've also had a few days in if it's been rainy, and they've been getting super creative, which I love. But this is the aftermath of that. So tonight I thought I'm going to just do a power hour, clean as much as I possibly can. So I thought I would film it and share it with you guys as well. I feel like at the moment, because the kids are around, it's really difficult to stay on top of the housework and actual work as well. So tonight I'm going to try and motivate myself and set a timer. I've also got my AirPods in. I'm going to listen to my favorite podcast.
It also means I can't talk to her.
And my husband is also going to help me because we're going to try and tackle this together so that then once the kids are actually in bed, we can just sit on the couch and chill out. So I'm going to set a timer, as I said, for an hour. I love to do this on my Google Home or my actual phone as well. Just feel like it really speeds me up, and I always feel like, or even sometimes I'll set it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and just try and get as much as I possibly can done in that time. But yeah, let's do this, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for coming back if you have, and if you're new here, I would love you to consider subscribing just by hitting the little red button down below. I post lots of cleaning content and home content, and I would absolutely love to have you as a viewer. So first off, I'm just clearing away everything that is on our kitchen island. We're also going to put a few things in the dishwasher and tidy away a few dishes that we washed by hand as well. Matt is also going to take the bins out because they were really quite full, and while he does that, I noticed that there was quite a bit of mess around the bin. So I'm going to spray it and I'm going to wipe it, and we've actually got 2 bins in our kitchen, which is really convenient. So I'm going to do that to both of them while he actually takes them out, and also put in some new rubbish bags. I actually showed a bin hack the other day on my Instagram, and it was such a simple hack, but it's gone viral. I think it's got like nearly 10 million views, which is just insane. It was one that I saw on TikTok, and then I kind of showed him doing it and then showed me doing it, and people just seem to love it. So if you haven't seen that, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I would love you guys to come over and check it out. I'm always sharing little hacks over there as well. But now the bins are done, I'm going to run around and wipe down the surfaces and also clean my kitchen sink. I've talked about this before. It's something that I try to do in my evening routine every evening. For me, once the sink is done, like cleaned, it's like the kitchen is shut. No one can ask for anything. Like, it's almost my signal to relax for the evening. And some nights it's worse than others. Tonight, it really wasn't that messy at all. So I'm just going to give it a really quick wipe down, and our drying rack as well. And I have this little pot that holds utensils if you wash them by hand. So I thought I may as well wash that as well. And now I'm just going to run around, wipe down the surfaces and the stove top as well. I'm using Spray Wipe Done. It's one of my favorite products. It's just so quick. It's great on grease, and I just love how quick and easy it is to use. Like, I feel like you don't need to leave it to sit very long at all. It really does work well. So I'm going to give all of that a good wipe.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. Should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
Then then Matt is going to run around with the vacuum quickly. I love this vacuum. It's a Dyson one. I think I've shown it before. It's called Omni Glide, and it's really good for quick cleans like this. Like, it's really good on dust, crumbs. I find some of my other Dysons don't pick it up quite as well, but I absolutely love it. And it's really tiny, really lightweight, so perfect for like kitchen cleans like this. While he's doing that, I'm going to clean up the dog's like food area. I've talked about it before. She's really fussy, and we tend to have to leave food out for her like all day long, and then sometimes she eats it, sometimes she doesn't. Like today she hasn't really, but then she comes back to it later. So I just wanted to tidy up that area. Also, Jackson's been building Lego for a few days now. It's like his favorite thing to do. I swear he's going to be some kind of like architect or builder or something. So I thought I would just clear all of that away, put it in the playroom. Then I'm going to light this candle, which I got from Neom. It's my favorite candle. It smells so good. Like as soon as you light it, you can really, really smell it. It was one that I got from Mother's Day. So I thought I would light that, get the ambience going, even if the kids are watching a film. And then we're going to just go into the playroom. The kids do help me with the playroom. Like whenever people see me cleaning this, they say, you know, you got to get the kids to help, but they really do. And to be honest, they're just chilling out. So I'm just going to put a few things away in the cupboard. I'm also going to tidy up this pen pot because it just gets really messy. They are constantly doodling and using it. So it doesn't take a sec to just kind of reorganize it a little bit. I got this caddy on Amazon and it's been great. It's like a little homework caddy. So whenever they're doing homework or they want a color, I just grab it and it works really well. I'm also going to wipe down the sides in here because it was getting a little bit dusty. And then I'm also quickly going to vacuum in this area as well. This little vacuum that we have, oh yeah, I should have said there's little beads coming out of some of our bean bags. So we're going to vacuum that up. And this little vacuum works really well on the floor, but also this carpet. We've got a rug from Ruggable. I get asked that a lot. But because it's quite like a thin rug, this vacuum works quite well on it.
I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move.
We already only have 19 minutes to go. That has gone so quickly, but we've pretty much done the kitchen and the playroom as well. Now I'm going to shake out Kiki's bed. She brought this huge stick in from outside, put it in her bed, so I'm sure she won't be happy about that, but I'm just going to take it outside, vacuum things. Now she's got a nice clean bed. I'll put some of her toys on it, and then I'm going to move on to the living area. I have a little Happy Easter bunting up, and actually Easter is done now, so I'm just going to put it away in the garage until next year. And then I wanted to organize this sofa area. It gets really like messy where the kids and the dog love to sit on the cushions. We have blankets on it to protect it because we have a cream sofa because we're crazy. So I'm just going to straighten it out. Matt's going to wipe down the black coffee tables. I really love them, but they show up so much dust and mess. So we do tend to just give them like a quick wipe down most days. But now that area is looking so much better for this evening. I'm also going to vacuum here as well because it's just a few like bits of crumbs. Like people are constantly in and out all day. Look at the dog looking at me like, what are you doing to my couch? So I'm just gonna vacuum this area. Now I think we've only got 15 minutes left, but I'm gonna keep vacuuming. And then another area that I really wanted to tackle tonight is our dining table, which is pretty much like an arts and crafts table while the kids are at home. So I'm also going to give that a good wipe down. I'm having to move the kids because they're still using it, bless them, but it is nearly bedtime.
It kinda makes me go crazy. Hey. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
I really wanted to get that load of laundry on tonight, so now that can be running while we're chilling out watching TV, and then I can hang it out a bit later. And that is the power hour all done. Our timer is going off. I'm going to make a cup of tea, but I feel so much better for it now. We're going to put the kids to bed, and then we can come down to a nice clean house. And the best thing is we can also come down in the morning and not feel completely overwhelmed with everything we already have to do. So we're going to chill out on the sofa, watch a show. Matt's lit a fire, which makes it so cozy, and I'm just going to relax. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.